Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpsters. I have got as a special guest appearance for today, and today only, it is my son. It is EMoney. It is, what is your name on YouTube right now?
EMoney FN.
EMoney what?
FN.
EMoney FN on YouTube. Make sure you check him out. His link will be in the description below. I've got EMoney from Texas all the way. EMoney FN.
Hi.
The Fortnite God. Now, let me tell you how bad this kid cheats on Fortnite.
I don't cheat.
Alright, so we did a 1v1 in some little creative room. What are you laughing at? We did a 1v1 on Fortnite, on creative, that he set up. And this was, and I started shooting him, and he had all kinds of shield and health. This dude had 200 shield and 200 health.
I did. I had 100 health and 100 shield.
Not the last time.
Yes, I did.
Not the first time.
Yes, I did.
A couple weeks ago.
Yes, I did.
Remember when we played
Yes,
creative?
I did.
You got double shield and double health.
Yeah,
Remember
that was a
Oh, that was what?
prank.
That was a prank, supposedly. Okay, yeah. So here I am shooting the guy, and I'm getting killed, and he's lasting forever. And every time he kills me, he gets back up to 200.
Yeah, that's siphon.
That's what?
Whatever. I don't remember how to say it.
Whatever. So, then we played what? Last night? Night before? 2 nights ago?
BHP.
2 nights ago? What did we play?
BHP, I think.
Alright, whatever. We played some dumb creative thing. And he's cheating. He's hiding in a phone booth.
I'm not hiding in a phone booth.
What were you doing in a phone booth?
I was not in a phone booth.
You were in the phone booth.
No, I wasn't. He's
Anyways,
capping.
he
He's
comes
capping.
out of nowhere and just keeps shooting me left and right. I can't even change my guns fast enough, and next thing you know, I'm dead. And he had like, what, 50 kills? I had 21?
Yeah, 21.
21?
50 to 21.
That's not that bad for an old man, right?
Not that bad.
Not that bad. I had some kills. So anyways, check him out. He's a Fortnite king.
But whenever I stand still, he just kills. He says he's good whenever I stand still.
Well, yeah, no crap.
Well, better than you.
Anyways, we are going, where are we going tomorrow, bro?
Wisconsin.
We are going to be hopping on a plane for the weekend, and we will be going to Wisconsin and visiting some family up there. Life's Apprentice. I know you're up in Wisconsin, but unfortunately, I can't head up that way. We're more into Milwaukee. Where if you happen to be down by Milwaukee, I'd love to hook up. Life's Apprentice and anybody else out there. We'll be up there for the weekend and heading back on Monday. So right now we're coming into Lucky's Barbershop in Midlothian, and
Get my haircut.
Elijah's gonna get his hair did, and he's gonna have a nice cut.
Did?
Huh?
I'm get my hair did.
Your hair did. But yeah, Lucky's Barbershop and Barber and Tattoo Shop. Pretty cool place. If you haven't been and you're in the area, make sure you check him out. Give him some love. Good guy, and he's the only one I let cut my hair. So anyways, we will holler at you guys later.